Popcornflix pricing explained what you get for your money. Popcornflix isn't just another streaming service. You won't believe how much content you can access without spending a dime. Most people get this wrong by assuming ad-supported platforms are low quality, but the surprising truth is that Popcornflix offers thousands of movies and television shows for free, legally and safely. The service is completely free, there are no subscription fees, and you only watch occasional ads. You won't believe the value of this for casual viewers. Full-length movies in categories like comedy, drama, action, and documentaries are all available instantly. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to premium streaming platforms. They overlook that Popcornflix is entirely free and accessible without any credit card. Popcornflix also offers curated collections and mobile apps for on-the-go streaming. While it doesn't have the newest releases, the library is extensive and continuously updated, making it a great alternative for budget-conscious viewers. In conclusion, Popcornflix pricing is unmatched, free, legal, and ad-supported. By understanding your viewing needs and tolerance for ads, you get access to a huge catalogue without paying a cent. Popcornflix is more than a streaming site, it's entertainment that's accessible to everyone.